Right, so the wife's office chair just came in the mail. Yeah. I'm going to put this together for her real quick. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the arms and attach them to the side here. One screw, metal Allen wrench that comes in the package. That would be right here. Allen key. Screw that in lightly, leave it alone. Screw the other one in lightly, leave it alone. Next you take the 4 screws and attach from here, 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 and here. Like this. Then you attach this mechanism there. Like this. Next, we're going to put the covers over the screw holes on the side. Here. Like this. Next, we place the chair onto the base. Like this. If you take your time, get it done real quick and easy, no mistakes in about 10 minutes. You should be happy with it.